You know you can be anything, right? So go for it! Learn this, feed him, conquer that!
Push, kids, let's move on.
Done. What's next? Be an artist? A crazy one.
Break the rules.
Yeah! You could totally be a dancer, or an explorer, or a ghost hunter.
Our cooker's real.
What?
It's from the video I found. What is he talking about?
What's that move called?
I'm so excited. I'm about to.
Right, where to next? Wanna see Clock meet a superhero?
You don't have to be a scientist or an engineer to come up with a good idea.
So true. Reach for the sky. Where's this? The future?
You know, the aliens know that.
I know. You could write stories. Ooh, what is this? A talking cheese?
Weird thing to say, but okay.
RTÉ Kids, what's next? This is RTÉ Kids. This is what's next.
Hello and welcome to our weekly look back at all the biggest stories we brought you this week. Bye!
What's next for Arrow and Starla as they travel across space to return home?
Ever wondered what it would be like to fight mutants alongside a robot and a mutated prawn?
What will Ireland look like in the year 3000?
We're here to learn if humans can finally return to Earth.
And what surprises will the future hold?
Join me and my family on our Skellig Island adventures.
What's next on The Scavengers? Streaming now on RTÉ Player.